Hi, I'm George Divino Tolentino, and I am actually suffering from uh, frequent awakenings during the night. I have a trouble on sleeping during the night and sound snoring. So my housemates are actually complaining about it. So I went to Zulekha one time, and they recommended me Dr. Afzal from ENT, and he checked me about my problem. So he recommended me for a sleep study, and based on sleep study, they would get to know what really my problem is. So they scheduled the sleep study, and based on that, I was diagnosed with an obstructive sleep apnea as per the doctor. And he recommended me some solutions. One solution is CPAP, but when he explained to me about it, I outrightly rejected it because my other brother, who's also snoring, is having some problem with CPAP. It's inconvenient. So I said if there's any other solution besides the CPAP. So Dr. Afzal also said that the only way besides CPAP is surgery. So the next checkup, he checked my nose and throat, and he found out that I have some obstruction in my nostrils. Besides that, I have hypertrophied tonsils and some lax muscles in my throat. So he said we have to do something via surgery. And yes, I agreed to that surgery because that's the only way moving forward. And after that, we went for surgery. The surgery only lasted for 1.5 hours, and I was in the hospital for 2 days. And after the surgery, the next day, I was actually discharged. I had discomfort initially on my throat because that's actually expected, and I was put on a soft diet for 2 weeks. I actually lost weight because it's a win-win situation for me because I was trying to lose weight, but I was not able to lose weight, and then it's actually good. I lost some weight. Anyhow, in 3 weeks time, I recovered, and here I am now. I don't have a problem with my sleeping during the night. I can sleep properly. I can breathe properly through my nose and through my mouth. And most of all, I don't have a problem with snoring anymore. I totally don't snore anymore. I checked with my housemates and they said, "We don't snore anymore." So it's actually effective. And the experience in Zulekha is really good. I mean, like, uh, I've been suffering for this from this problem for quite a long time, and I didn't know that there's a solution for that. Good thing I saw Dr. Afzal, and well, I strongly recommend if any one of you is suffering from this same problem, to see Dr. Afzal from Zulekha Hospital, Dubai. It's really, really good.
Mr. George Divino came to me about 2 months ago, 3 months ago with a complaint of snoring, sleepiness, and complaint by his housemates of severe snoring sound. He too had excessive daytime sleepiness, tiredness, fatigue, unable to concentrate on work. Preliminary examination showed that he had a blocked nose and a lax throat muscles, that is soft palate inside the around the tonsil area. We subjected him for sleep study which showed severe apneic spells with reduction in oxygen level up to 68% saturation intermittently. So we gave them an option of going for a surgery or a CPAP machine wherein continuous pressure is provided to the nose through the mask. But he opted for surgery, and during surgery we straightened up his nose from inside. Then we resected his tonsils, we repositioned the soft pillar muscle to a newer position, which will eventually fibrose and make the palate stiffer. 3 weeks post-operatively, Mr. George is doing fantastically well. He doesn't have much snoring. His housemates doesn't complain of snoring. He doesn't have excessive daytime sleepiness, and he's much more confident now. Here at Zulekha Hospital, we have a comprehensive snoring evaluation system where the ENTs and the pulmonologist evaluate them. We subject them to various studies, make a sleep study, and come to a proper diagnosis, as well as regarding the management. Please be open to Zulekha Hospital for evaluation of snoring and its treatment. Thank you.